Welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to create your pictures for your composition books in ChatGPT. I've been getting a lot of questions about this and I want to answer them for you guys, so I figured why not do a video on Tutorial Tuesday, right? Right. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that now and we can get started. So, for example, I have this book that I made for my niece. And this specific picture I bought from Etsy. You can purchase them on Etsy. But if you can't find one that looks like your child or the child that you're creating the book for, I'm going to show you what to do. And I'm going to show you how to change the background and get the things you want in ChatGPT. Literally, AI is taking over the world and it's only going to do what you prompt it to do. So I'm going to show you how to prompt it to make the photo you want. Now let's head over to ChatGPT so I can show you exactly how I did it. We're going to start by opening ChatGPT. As you can see, I uploaded the photo that I have. This again is one that I bought from Etsy, but as you can see, this is different than the one that I just showed you on a notebook. So I already used this and I changed the background colors and everything. So this works. So you upload the picture. Once you upload the picture that you want to use, you are going to ask ChatGPT. You're going to type down in the box for it to create an AI prompt for this photo. Now, it's going to give you a prompt, of course, because that's what you asked it to do. So as you can see, it has all of the description of what the little girl looks like, what is on the books, what is on the background. All you're going to do is change what you see here if you want to change the look of your notebook. So, for instance, where it says purple, it used to be pink. I changed that to purple. You can edit. If you look at that button at the top with the little pencil, you can edit in ChatGPT. It allows you to do so. So just edit accordingly to how you want your book to be designed, and it will do it for you. It's really so simple, and I can't express enough how AI is definitely one of the best things to happen to the world. I know it could be used for different things, but to make the notebooks, it's been a godsend. Let's say someone posts a photo of their book on social media, or you find a photo that looks similar to this on social media. All you have to do is screenshot that photo, put it in to ChatGPT, and ask it to create an AI prompt for this photo. That's it. Anything you want to change about it. Let's say if I wanted to change this apple to books, or if I want to change this book bag to a pencil, all I would do is change the wording, and ChatGPT is going to create whatever it is I'm prompting it to create. It's really that simple. And then you can take that photo and you can put it right into Canva and create your composition book. So I hope this helps somebody today. And I appreciate you guys for all the love on my composition book video. You guys are so amazing. And I hope you stay tuned for all of my upcoming Tutorial Tuesday videos. I have some great things coming up. Let me know if there's something you would like to see from me though, and I will definitely try to do that for you. And just to make things a little easier for you, I put the prompt that I use from ChatGPT down in my description so that you can use it, and you just need to change things accordingly to go with the design that you're looking to create. And hopefully that'll make things a lot easier for you. I appreciate you guys for joining me today, and I hope that this video helped you to be able to create your composition books in ChatGPT. If you like this video, share it and let me know what you'd like to see from me in the future. And I'll see you in the next one.